Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, wait, I didn't cook this, so what do we have, my love?
Today we have saltfish. You know, Jamaican knows that saltfish. Spanish people, American people call it bacalao. You know what I'm saying? Or called codfish with some butter beans, vegetables, food. You know what First Lady said? Yellow yam, green banana, dumpling, white yam, yuca, plantain, and pear, aka avocado. Yes, my head got better. First Lady said she's hungry. Yeah, my head, aha, we got you. Sorry, fam, we had to do it to you though. But we appreciate everybody. You know what I'm saying? I said, oh.
Did we really get you guys?
They got caught. How it tastes? Tastes good.
Damn.
Do y'all eat pear? Here, aka avocado. Here, take piece. Bravo got pear that be busting, bro. Family, we had to put that prank out there. But listen, family, let me tell you something. One thing with me, I'm not a troublemaker, okay? Disclaimer, let's get this out there. So I don't want people to think I'm a troublemaker and whatever. I don't give trouble. You know what I'm saying?
Only with me.
Only with First Lady.
Hiccups.
I'm a type of person, if there's a trouble going to happen, I'm a type of person I try to de-escalate it. Is that the word I said, Tom?
Yeah.
Yes, but if the problem comes to me, family, I can't do nothing, you know? I'm just going to stand up for myself, but I had to get y'all. But everything is good, all love. Appreciate y'all, you know? So now...
You guys are not mad, are you?
No, I can't.
You're not mad.
You're not mad.
Okay.
They was tuned in too.
Because they want to know who fucked you up.
They want to know who whipped my ass. Huh? I know. That's what y'all want to know. Who whipped my ass? Nobody.
You see? You see why I tell you I can't pick yam? It's a good piece of yam, Tom.
Good. Make sure I pick the yam, because you're making a man pick yam, boy. Yeah. I know you remember when First Day said when she go to the store, she don't pick yam, a guy pick it. She don't buy no more yam. I buy the yam. Buster, I don't know if you ever heard about this. It's in Jamaica. It's in Trinidad too. So this one's a product of Trinidad. This is the colder champagne one. The drink's good. Yeah, you're not buying no more yam. Any I say you go to barber, bring yam or anything, I don't know, you bring that shit back. That shit. How does it taste?
Tastes very good. This food is delicious.
And you telling me don't put this, don't put that. When I'm making my food, do not tell me what to put my stuff for, okay? Family,
same way you be doing to me.
I'm making my food. She just sitting down there. Oh, don't put that in there. Don't put that in. Look at it now.
Yeah.
She's brushing it down.
The same way how he be doing to me.
Don't tell me what to put my food.
Don't tell me how to cook my food, because you did the first one who brushed it off. But don't they in Jamaica they mix that with what?
No, that's not it.
Oh,
That's
it's an energy drink.
Yeah. No, that's not what you're thinking about.
I don't know.
You're thinking about something different.
Oh.
That's the soda they have in Jamaica too. Yeah.
Oh.
You auntie have in that shop.
No.
Yeah. But you're thinking of probably something else. But this one came from Trinidad. I thought it was a Jamaican one, but it's good. It's all good. It stays the same. Family. First Lady says she's hungry. Let's see. How much dumpling you took yourself? Two dumpling? He said she's hungry, so let's see if she can eat that off.
I'm telling you, by far, this yam is my favorite.
Yam is good, right?
Yeah.
Family, listen, this is what I do when I go in the store to pick up yam.
Why don't you teach me how to pick out yam so I don't have to ask nobody?
You don't ask nobody. I said, if you bring yam in, you're going to have problems. Don't come bring a yam store to me again. Family, this is how I pick up yam. Sometimes when you go in, they don't want you to cut it. If you ask them to cut it, they give you, oh, I can't cut it. So, what I do, I go, if I pick up a piece, I look at it, and I either rub it on the thing, or I use my nail and chip it. If I use my nail and chip it and it doesn't change color right away, I know it's good. Or, what people do too, get a lime, cut it, and then rub it, and see if it changes color. But that's what I do. I just go, pluck it a little bit, and see if it doesn't change color. I say, yeah, that's a good piece right there. But family, let me tell you what happened. Listen. So I came in now with the yam. I thought I was gonna spend like $20-something because I already added up my tab. I said, yeah, everything gonna come to like $20-something.
Oh my God, this yam is good.
My tab came up to $27. Somebody cutting the yam, and first they said, is that yellow yam? I said, yes. She said, what's the price of that yellow yam?
Because I know he don't check price. He just pick it up. If it's food, if it's clothes or something like that, he'll check price. But if it's food, Richie will spend $100 on food. He don't care if it's food. So I said, Richie, that's a big piece of yam. So I know you didn't check the price. I said, he said, well, how much a pound is a yam? I said, see, that's what I'm talking about.
I think the yam was $4.99 a pound, family. The yam was $8. President said, what?
$8.
Well, look, it's a good piece of yam though. I just picked it up. I didn't pay attention to it. I said, damn, that ain't gonna weigh that much. When the hell? It was weigh a lot. $8. That was the most expensive thing on my tab. How does it taste? Like it?
Yam is good though.
Other than that, how y'all doing? Here, plantain? Okay, sorry. Oh yeah. Yes, plantain. Yeah. There you go, take a piece. Good.
So this reminds me of we went to Jamaica. And my auntie Rosie, she made some saltfish with butter bean. It was so good. So good.
This and the coconut oil just sit down. And you look like you put more saltfish on your side than my side. Probably I bought 3 bags of saltfish because I know first lady don't like giving me none of that saltfish. I bought 3 bags.
You love have something. Yo, this guy, I never see a person can talk so much in my life.
Look at the camera.
What?
Blinking.
For the battery?
Yeah, and it's charged. I think that battery inside of it no good.
Maybe.
We gotta get a different battery. Well, it's not gonna cut off.
It's not gonna cut off.
Family's blinking now, but it's not gonna cut off. That battery tripping, bro. I think the battery is overcharged. That's why it's exhaust.
It could be because the battery slot is broken.
Well, yeah.
So maybe it's not getting fully charged like we think it is. I don't know. It's tricky. Listen, family. This is exactly what happened at Popeyes, a fast food Friday. Okay? And you guys say you want to see the video, so I'm going to upload the video.
And you're gonna get it.
It's not going to be no intro.
With a car bang.
So we're gonna talk and be ourselves like we normally do. If it cut out, it cut out.
That's all, folks. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Bravo be having good pear. Pear good. The rest of the pear, all right, bit.
That's what I'm saying.
Nice and juicy.
Damn, I wish I had this piece of yam in my soup.
Good piece of yam, man.
I'm not gonna keep on saying it because you guys don't understand. Good you have a good piece of yam, man.
This is good.
I remember I told you guys, I don't know about other places, but I know in America, people waste a lot of food, okay? But I know in the islands and Jamaica where we're from, we don't waste food, okay? We save and we use every nook and cranny. That's how we come up with stuff like saltfish and butter bean. You understand? Because we ain't wasted nothing.
And you know what, family, to be honest, I don't really fancy butter beans like that. Because I told her first they don't put it in the oxtail, but I would eat it, but I'm not picky for it. It's certain stuff I would eat it in. Like a meal like this now, I would eat it. Do you like butter beans? And then look, let me show you. Yeah, I'm soft, you know? See, this is why it's yellow. I already showed you why it's, you see? Look here, that's why it's called yellow lamb, see? Nice and milky. It was worth the $8.
Yep.
Wow.
That's probably why my yams them. A yam subject where I talk about yum, 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 yum. This is probably why my yams them don't be tasting good, because I'm going for the smallest piece. Because true knows are $5.99 or $4.99 a pound.
Expensive.
Yeah, I make sure that I'm gonna get me a small piece. Oh.
Sometimes if you find a decent small piece, it's good. Yeah, so.
Excuse me. Excuse me, guys.
This is good.
They sell this in the Jamaican restaurant too, but for breakfast.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to try this, you go to Jamaican restaurant, they sell it for breakfast. Sawfish. I can get the sawfish with the ackee. So go try it. And let us know.
A lot of the family members, you guys say that you don't. Some of you guys say you don't really fancy ackee. I can understand it, cause ackee don't really have a taste.
Yeah.
But you have to season it right, man.
You gotta cook it right.
But that chicken back in ackee, man.
Cook it to y'all, the way y'all like it. Where we like it may not be the way y'all like it, but every dish we eat here that's from like a Jamaican dish, y'all could buy it in stores. So if you ever want to try it,
but it's not gonna taste like ours, honey.
I know it's not gonna taste like ours, but
some don't want that. They don't want that.
They don't want that. They want to taste ours. But that's the closest thing tasted ours.
Shit.
You know?
No stuff.
Our food be busted. What?
Because if you think about it, that's not true.
What?
Because that restaurant that we went to, the Jamaican restaurant we went to in Jamaica was disgusting.
In Jamaica?
So in Jamaica, in Georgia.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So imagine sending somebody there and saying, "Oh, their food is going to be similar to ours." That was nasty.
No, I mean like that. I mean like, yeah. If the real food that we eat, they sell it in there. So if they want to give it a try, they could try it. But our taste is going to be different because we know how it's supposed to be. But at least they could try because they that's what At least they could try because they see we eating. You know what I'm saying? That's what I mean. But you could ship it out.
What?
Y'all want that frozen oxtail?
Don't tell them that, because the first thing they're going to do is want it.
If y'all want the oxtail, comment down. I know who's going to comment down for the oxtail. Look at me. Who's going to comment down for the oxtail? We already know. Wink, wink. All right.
Wink.
If y'all want the oxtail, comment down. We ship it frozen. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Right. I have no more dumpling now.
No dumpling. I can't eat more than one dumpling. I'm hungry, but even one dumpling is too much for me.
No, I have no more dumpling. Put that pot in there later. We're not gonna eat no more dumplings. So I told her put it in a pot and we eat it later. Okay? That's what we said.
I love all the vegetables that you put in there too.
Everything.
Well seasoned. What is the white piece of yam?
Yeah. White yam.
You get white and yellow. Sure. But the white yam is not as expensive.
Yep. I know you thought it was the white yam.
I thought it was white yam at first.
Yeah, white yam is not expensive. That plantain is sweet.
But when he cut it, my God!
What?
I only ate 1.5 plantain.
2 plantain per plantain.
Oh my gosh! Don't touch this plantain.
You didn't put a lot of plantain.
Yes, I did.
Only saw like 3.
No, you didn't make it out of plantain. That's the problem.
I made a lot.
You were stingy with the plantain.
I cut all the plantain off
No.
a nice size.
No, you didn't.
All the size,
You
family.
didn't make it out of plantain.
I cut up a nice size, family. Wow. Yep. This is good.
Sometimes, well,
Huh.
all the time, when we're editing the video, we're like, damn, we said,
A lot.
this food is good. This food is good a lot.
But listen, you know what's funny?
What else can you say though?
You know what's funny? Or it's a lot of Jamaican people say that same thing, everything. I watch some Jamaican videos when they doing stuff like that and they talking here. It's just a natural thing. Okay?
That's true.
That's a natural thing. See, I bring the pear, you're not even eating a pear. See that? And you talking about plantain?
Stop watching me.
Damn, family. Oh, man. Sorry. I didn't give them none of that.
You're just not giving them some?
I gave them food, but I didn't give them none of the sauce. Because I didn't know if they like it. I'm sorry, family. I gave us everything else, but now, why you ain't say something? I figured I didn't want it. My bad. You're full. You're full now? Food hit the spot, huh? Wow. Food hit the
It's
spot.
good, man.
But.
Bad.
And it don't take long to cook.
It doesn't.
But one thing, with sawfish, you gotta boil it more than once.
But hey,
What?
I think that's the longest thing that took to cook was boiling the sawfish. Everything else was 1, 2,
I have to
3.
boil it back over twice. It's salty. It's got its name sawfish for a reason.
Bacalao.
AKA bacalao. AKA codfish. Wow. Full?
The recording?
20 minutes.
It's like one.
I'm gonna my word I wasn't for cut off. Okay, family. Camera's blinking. I want to give it this word before it come off. Appreciate everybody that relate for that last one. I like that. I like to see that. Everybody said it was a good one. That one hit. I like that. Okay, so with being said, I'm gonna give you this one. My 2K who hit me up to ready to play game.
Oh,
okay. Family. First lady. Family, listen. Actions prove who someone is. Words just prove who they want to be. Again, I'm going to say this one again. Family, first lady. Actions prove who someone is. Words just prove who they want to be. Okay? Always put it in your term. You know what I'm saying? I'm just relating to y'all. You're just putting in your term. You know what I'm saying? My term and your term is different. So put it the way y'all want to put it. And if y'all could relate, you relate. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that subscribed, everybody who's just watching and not subscribed, might as well just subscribe if you're watching. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't hurt. It's free. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Just do that for us. And like I thumbs up if you like the video. Why watch it if you're not gonna thumbs it up?
To thumbs it down.
To thumbs it down. Yeah, they do that too, but it's all good. But we appreciate y'all. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Ooh, excuse me.
Bye.